every week we join in with a group, and this group is hosted by Life with Patty, and the co-hostess is Kathy's Favorite Things. And this group puts up a video called TeaTuesday. Now you put the hashtag before the TeaTuesday, so everyone that puts a video up for that video group will all go together. Now, also, this video was about going to Tuesday morning a shopping haul. So I put hashtag TeaTuesday morning haul. So anyone that goes to Tuesday morning, that's the name of a store, those videos are going there. And now we have hashtag Blossom Your Creativity. That is our second channel. And these, if you were to click that on, you would take us to your second channel, to our second channel, and see all the different content we put up there. And this is on my first original channel, right there, Grandma Sandy. Now, look at the title, TeaTuesday Part 2. Now, I did a Part 1. The video was so long, I didn't want to not have my viewership. My viewership, even though I shouldn't tell you this, but I'm going to. I don't care how long my videos are. Usually they're 2 to 3 minutes. Now, on my videos that I do with my daughter, they usually go 4 or maybe 5 minutes. But my video might be 10 to 15 minutes. So not all of my videos are always going to be watched all the time. And when they give me that, that's just a percentage of them. Because I do have people that do watch my full video watch, but not very many. Because I have a lot that watch maybe 30 seconds or a minute and bring my time down. But that's for another video. And don't get upset about it because there's nothing you can do about it. Right now we're talking hashtags. So that's why I do the hashtag. So if someone's interested in TeaTuesday, they would click on that hashtag if they want to get with the group or if they want to see what the group's been doing. The next one is Tuesday morning stores. So if you're interested in that particular brand, a store, click on there and you'll find a bunch of videos about that. And if you're interested in Blossom Your Creativity, you're going to click on that hashtag. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like when you do that. Now we've clicked on to TeaTuesday, and as you can see, we have a lot of other creators on this area, and they have put videos up in the past. Now today's video hopefully is up here somewhere, but I do want to point out, clicking on this did bring up other videos that I've put up. This one here is for a month ago. And if you want to see what I did, click it on, and then you can see what I did. I turned the sound down because I wanted you to see what it looks like, and I didn't want to be interrupted with the video running. Now, when I begin my videos, I'm talking about Life with Patty, and that she's the hostess, and I'm showing a little clip of her channel to get people interested in going over and checking it out. And then I also will do a little clip that's for Kathy's Favorite Things to get people interested to know what her channel looks like too. But at least you can see what I'm doing. And now let's go see another one of my videos. And as you can see, here I am with my granddaughter. This was 8 months ago when she was still pregnant with her little boy that she has had now. And we're out on our back patio. And we're talking about her being pregnant and myths about being pregnant. We have another TeaTuesday over here that me and my daughter together, and this was 9 months ago, one of our Halloween posts. So this gives you some kind of an idea, but all these, and I'm over here giving an announcement, but all these wonderful creators join in for TeaTuesday. And every one of us does something a little different, as you can see. Now I know it might look like I'm the hostess for this because I'm all over the place on this TeaTuesday, but I do join in every week, and I think that makes a difference why most of my videos are sort of at the top. And here's me and my daughter 9 months ago, and as you can see, I'm in here a lot. And you want to get in here, you want to get in these and get people interested in your channel. That is the whole reason to join in with challenges. The reason to get to know new people all the time. And as you can see, there's a lot of people that join in, not just me. And right there is Kathy's favorite things. She's an awesome channel if you're not already following her. But anyway, this is why you do it. You do it to make new friends, get people to know about your channel, and watch and see what you do. Now that was the very first hashtag, TeaTuesday. Now our second hashtag, as you can see in the center, is Tuesday Morning Haul. Now I could have put Tuesday Morning Store. It really wouldn't matter. But it's because we went shopping. And when I click on that hashtag, this is what's going to come up. Now, as you can see, I'm nowhere to be seen. I am not a great shopper, and I don't go out a lot. Even though it might look like I do. Even though it might look like I should be at the top. I don't know where I am in this collection of Tuesday morning store hauls. But let's go look and see if I can even find myself. They have, well, probably not going to. I just noticed there's 761 videos, 123 channels on this. And that's also something else you need to be concerned about. I'm not saying I'm not here, but I don't know how long it would take me to find myself. And sometimes you're just lost in a maze. But still, do it anyway. It's still important. You never know if you're going to get moved up closer to the top. Also, another good reason, these videos stay up here a very long time. Here you can see videos that have been up for 3 years. Some could be strolling through here and happen to find this particular channel that did do a lot of Tuesday morning shopping hauls, and she even had hers all together. So make sure that you guys always put your hashtags in, even if it looks like it's doing you no good at all. I did want to also mention that, as you notice, some of these creators have their videos sort of clumped up together. This one here, this video was 2 years old, and so is this, but we've seen others of the same creator. And this one right here is 3 years old, and then here's another one that's 2. So over a period of years, you might be able to get your videos clumping together if you go to Tuesday morning. We've done a couple of videos about Tuesday morning. So eventually, maybe we will work ourselves together or closer to the top. That's why it's important to get yourself in the habit of doing hashtags, even if you don't even see it's helping you. It may not be helping you right now, but it could be helping you in the future. This is going to be a 2-parter. I am putting up one part now, and we'll put the other part up later this evening. And we will do an update next week and see how our hashtags work for us that we did today.